Are you divorced and a parent? Is your relationship with your child a cause for concern? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm a family attorney. I spoke recently about the importance of contact rights in a co-parenting situation. Not long ago, a woman who was charged with contempt of court for failing to comply with a court order granting her ex-husband the right to spend time with their child. The Children's Act states explicitly that it is an offence to deny a person access to a child if they are legitimately entitled to it. But what happens if your child is refusing to spend time with you or is expressing hostility towards you? To some extent, it depends on the age of the child. The wishes of a child deemed old enough to make decisions must be respected. Children, especially teenagers, often find divorce traumatic, even if they don't appear to be distressed. They may simply be working through their own emotions about the divorce, particularly if relations between their parents were or are strained. Sometimes you just need to exercise patience and continue to be supportive and loving towards your child, however frosty they may be towards you. But if a much younger child is openly hostile to you, the other parent may be guilty of parental alienation. Parental alienation is rarely a natural response by a child. Rather, it is usually the result of deliberate sabotage by one parent against the other. It manifests in the child as hatred of the targeted parent. While it would be unfair to force a child who is exhibiting these feelings to spend time with a parent they appear to dislike, it is equally unfair on the victimized parent. The child has been manipulated into this position, and it is not a reflection of their inherent feelings for the parents. Many experts feel this deliberate manipulation of a child by one parent against the other is a form of child abuse. Ultimately, it is the child's interests that are paramount, however hard it may be on the victim parent. At this point, I need to point out that parental alienation is rarely entirely one way. If you're listening to this and you're thinking you are the victim, it is important that you honestly examine the dynamics at play in your family and take responsibility for your part in them. Parental alienation is a complex set of behaviors that affect all family transactions. Rarely is one parent solely the punisher and the other the punished. Children are often pawns in emotional manipulation by both parents. They may be used as a go-between. We've all heard warring parents say, "Tell your mother or father," whatever the message may be. When a child suffers parental alienation, they are robbed of the ability to form trust in intimate relationships. As a child, they may exhibit clinging behavior and separation anxiety. As an adult, they may find it hard to form and maintain healthy relationships, or they may develop anxiety or other mental health issues. For this reason, it's really important to intervene as early as possible and try to reinstate loving relationships with both parents. This can't be done in the isolated context of the divorced family. It requires professional help and support. There are various family therapy programs in South Africa that help severely alienated children of divorce re-establish trust. They provide psychoeducational training to parents and rebuild the fractured emotional relationship by creating new shared experiences in a safe, structured environment. If you are estranged from your child, or if your contact with your child is traumatic and you suspect parental alienation, call me today. I've helped many parents navigate post-divorce co-parenting, and I can help you deal with the situation. I'll ensure your legal rights are upheld and connect you with the appropriate support needed to restore communication. Parenting has its ups and downs, but it should not be traumatizing, either for you or your child. Contact me on the number below and take the first step to a healthier relationship with your child.